Hey guys, Pink here with Pink's Corvair Addiction. On this little video, I'm going to be making this here tube. When Gary and I put this motor in, I did not have it. It was probably rotted away, nothing left of it, and it probably got tossed. When I got the new motor mounts from Clark's, it did not come with the tube. I double checked and seen that they didn't sell them. We went ahead and I just made a piece of tubing, but I wasn't happy. I wanted to know the exact size and what the correct piece should be in their length, diameter, everything like that. So when I took Gary home, he's like, I think I got one around here. And he pulled out a drawer and he found a tube with the round plates and the bolt that was all new. So he let me borrow it and I checked out the size, diameters. Ran down, grabbed a piece of pipe along with some other material I needed down from Industrial Metal Supply here in Phoenix, and went ahead and stuck it on a lathe and made a couple. So that's what this little video is about. Enjoy. So what I'm doing this morning is I am machining a little piece to put in the rear motor mount. This is the one that Gary said goes in there, and I don't have any, and the ones around here to steal one out of, they're all missing. Some have bolts through them, and without this. So I got like a 10-foot piece of pipe from Industrial Metal Supply in Phoenix, and the inside diameter is very close. It's off by, I don't know, 7 thousandths or something. It's a little bigger, which that's fine. So I'm just machining it off a little bit here, and never claimed to ever be a machinist. My dad was. This was his Logan lathe here. It's got everything for it. I had a giant lathe. I could have put this lathe inside it. And it had like a 4-foot bed on it just alone. So, hey Jackie, what you doing out there barking? Get her down a little more, huh? We're just gonna machine that down a little bit there. Take her down a little more. Let the machine do all the work. Check the caliper. Don't have to take much off. Just making curly cues here. My dad loved machining. He had his own little shop at home. A lot of tooling and tools and lathes and mills and stuff, and you just sit there on this big old lathe and just turn pieces and make stuff, fix things. I had it here in the shop. It was about, I don't know, 8-9 feet long, and it just sat here. I brought it here from Wisconsin, cleaned it all up. I had everything for it. 3-jaw trucks, 4-jaw trucks, multiples, everything, and I never used it. So now I could actually have used it for I could have probably got that axle slid in there, and if I had to get the axle cleaned up, that's the next little project. And Dave from Cactus Corvair said that a lot of times they pound on it and it mushrooms. It doesn't look mushroomed, but after I get these made, I'm gonna just machine 2 of them. Then I have a spare one, and then I can get Gary's piece back to him. So we'll check this out and see where I'm at. My mom would always get mad at my dad. He'd have these damn curly cues in the house and the carpet. So one day my dad brought one home from work, about 3 inches round, I don't know, 2 feet long. Threw that on the carpet for my mom to complain about. I've used this thing twice, I think, in the last 7-8 years. And yeah, I should have put a straight or a right one on here. It faces to the right, the tool holder for the high-speed cutters. So anyways, I put a straight one on there. You know, and you know, that's just what you're supposed to do. I guess I'm not a machinist. I'm a fabricator welder. I just haven't feel tools. So I think this is just a cleanup cut, and we should probably be pretty much spot on. It just goes in there for the rubber, so probably doesn't have to be 100%, but what is in there now is real thin, so, and it's the size of the bolt shaft, so it's really not close. This would be a lot better. Yeah, we are right on. Right on. Right on, close enough. We're gonna call that good, and we can get 1, 2 of them out of here. If I machine it a little more, I can get 3, but 2's enough. I'm just gonna run, clean that a little bit and call that good. Yeah, I remember working with my dad a little bit in the shop, and he had fun using the emery cloth on his big old lathe, you know, chuck like yay big, and then I would always, when I would use it, a lot of times I'd leave the T-handle in there, you know, and I turned the machine on, and that's the one I had here. It'd go flying, you know, and luckily my dad didn't see that, you know, I get cracked upside the head. But luckily I never wound up with my fingers in there, nothing either. But that's how you learn, I guess. Or you use a file, I guess, right? A good file. I got one there, but my dad hanging over the lathe. Does it need this? Nah. But brings back memories. Nice. It's gonna work. Good enough. Do card file. Yeah, kind of wish I had his other lathe, but then, you know, it's one less spot for a car. Definitely wish I would have had his Bridgeport still for doing heads and key inserts and stuff. Yeah, I guess. Jeff does them now. All right, nice. All right, well, we'll just take and paint these, and I'll wipe them with some lacquer thinner and paint them, and we'll have them. Now, Gary said, oh, swing by my house, and he goes, I got something that I think it'll work. He's like, I got a gun barrel. He goes, it's got rifling, and he's laughing. He goes, it's about the same size. I said, nah, I'll just get something, you know. This is it. We got them. They're just, what are you, a little thinner on the inside, but that's fine. That's fine. We're golden. All right. Well, that's it. All made, all painted. Made a couple of them. Not a big deal. Let me know what you think. I guess you can't buy them, make them, or find someone that can. So I guess that's about it for this little video. Let me know how I did, what you think. Send me photos of your rides, Corvairs, of course, and maybe I'll post some pictures of viewers' rides. Get some more interest. Please subscribe to our channel. Spread the word that I'm out there putting videos out. There's a lot of things that I'm doing under this Rampside that I can't find videos on. So I hope these are helping everybody out there. And yeah, keep them Corvairs on the road. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Corvair Addiction.